In this video, you'll learn how to automate Telegram using n8n. By following these steps, you will be able to set up a workflow that enhances your Telegram experience with automation features. Begin by navigating to the n8n platform. Open your web browser and enter the URL for n8n. Once the page loads, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. You should see various options, including workflows. Click on Workflows to proceed. After clicking on Workflows, you'll be directed to a new screen displaying your existing workflows and an option to create a new one. Look for a button labeled Create and click on it. This action will take you to a new interface where you can start building your automation. Once on the new interface, find the option labeled Personal and click on it. This selection allows you to create workflows tailored for your personal use. After this step, you will see options for different types of workflows available for selection. Next, click on the button that says Build with AI. This option utilizes artificial intelligence to assist you in creating your automation workflow. You will then be taken to a page where you can begin the setup process. After selecting Build with AI, click on the Build button. This will initiate the workflow creation process. A new prompt should appear, guiding you through the next steps of the automation setup. In the provided text box, type in Create a Telegram automation. This phrase is essential as it defines the purpose of your workflow. Once you've entered this text, look for the option to submit your entry. Once you've typed the phrase, click on the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will confirm your input and move you to the next stage of the workflow creation. You will see a loading indicator as the system processes your request. Next, you should see an entry labeled Thinking. Click on this option to allow the system to begin generating the workflow based on your input. This may take a moment, so be patient as the system works. After clicking on Thinking, locate the option that states, I'll help you create a Telegram automation workflow. Let me start by gathering information about the available nodes. Click on this link to proceed with the workflow generation. Finally, wait for the system to finish generating your workflow. You will see a progress indicator showing that the process is underway. Once it completes, you will receive a notification indicating that your automation workflow is ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.